Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi if you guys are new here, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little unboxing, kind of like a little haul of the Takashi Murakami collection with Louis Vuitton. I want to preface this by saying that I didn't get everything that I wanted. I only got 2 out of the 3 things that I wanted. The main thing I wanted was sold out. I wasn't able to get it, and I tried online, tried on the app. My sales associate tried to order it for me. It was just not good. So it just sucks because they did, like, I think from what I heard, a tier of how much you spent, so they like catered to the people that spent the most in the last year or something like that. I think maybe like the last real thing I purchased from them was maybe my speeding. That was in 2020, so that was a long time ago, so I wasn't really prioritized for this collection. But at least I got 2 things, which I'm really happy about. At least, like, I'm grateful that I even got anything, because I know some people didn't even get anything and got like their orders canceled and stuff. So yeah, so we'll start off with the unboxing. So the first thing I got was actually online. So this, I didn't get any help from my sales associate at all. This was literally pure luck. When I was on the app, I literally was like refreshing, and the pochette was on there. I couldn't get, I was trying so hard, the pochette, the card holder, but then this one went through, so I was super happy that I was able to get it. So let's go ahead and pick it up. One of the stickers got loose, I don't know how, so I just like put it on the box because whatever, I thought it was cute, little panda. Because in here they gave you like stickers, which is weird because this was like fully closed, but I saw that sticker got loose. But here's some of the stickers that came with the online order. Let's see. These stickers. The pochette that I originally wanted, I wanted to get it mainly because I wanted to replace the one that I got stolen when I was little. So I wanted to place an order for that mostly, but because it was such a hot item, I wasn't able to get it. So if you guys were able to get it, that's amazing, but I'm like really upset that I didn't get it. But it's okay, like, it's not something that I absolutely need. It was just something that I wanted to get to kind of like soothe my childhood soul, you know, like, yeah, it was stolen when I was little, I don't have it anymore. This is my way to like replace it in a sense, even though it doesn't look exactly like it. It was mostly going to be like a sentimental like thing for me. But I know there's other collections coming out. I might try to get pochettes then, even though it's not the same. I just want to like maybe try to get something. If not, it's okay. There's some things on the future collections that are dropping that I have my eye on, but again, if I don't get it, it's fine. From this collection, the multicolor, I'm just happy that I even got the item in here and in here. So let's go ahead and unbox. So this is the boxing for this one. Can you guys guess what I got? Just real quick. Any guesses? I got something that I won't be able to use all the time, but it's something that that I wanted to get when I was in Europe, but like a regular one, but I didn't get it, and I always regretted not getting it, which I'm happy I didn't get it now because I have it here. So it was one of those items I thought about when I was in Europe, like, oh, should I get it? It's like going to be so cheap here. You know, I should just get one and get it hot stamped. And then even on my last day in France, I was like, dang, I should have like got it, but it's okay. But here it is. All right, guys. Here is my new passport cover. I got this one in white. There's little stickers in here. I'm just so happy I got this because I really, really wanted one from Europe and wasn't able to get one, but got the white one. This is what I scored online, and this is what the stamp looks like. I do want to get this hot stamp, so I'm probably going to go to the mall in the next couple of days or so to get a hot stamp. So I'll probably take you guys with me in the vlogs to show you guys where I'm getting hot stamped and stuff. Not too sure what I really want, but I do want to like get like a character of Vivian or something like that like on here. I know they don't really like hot stamp it more than once if you go overseas and stuff. I have someone there that works in the back that does the hot stamping, so I'll see what they can do for me there. And then in here, this was a last minute purchase because my associate texted me and was like, hey, like, we're not restocking anything and I wasn't able to get you your passport cover, your card holder, or the pochette for you, which was the most devastating news I got of life. Like honestly, like reading that message was crazy. I was like on my way to get my wisdom teeth pulled out, and then I got that message. So I wasn't in the best mood, right? But he sent me pictures of everything that he was getting in stock that day, and he doesn't think that they're getting anything else after that. So he sent me pictures of the card holders that he did get. So this is one of them, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. And then there was some scarves on there, and that was it. So I told myself, you know what, like since I'm not getting anything else, let me just get something else, because I wanted to get something that I can use all the time. So like this was like something that I can use sometimes, and this is something that I can use like all the time. So this piece, here's the box. How pretty. Oh, I like that these two are different. I'll show you guys little charms. They're different. How cute. Is a card holder, but which one? So originally I wanted the flat card case or this card holder in the monogram multicolor, but they didn't have any more, so I got a green tea Rosalie coin pouch. I know you guys are looking at this and you're thinking, that is so not Mimi, like green, like look, vibrant green. I know. So they had the pink, I think it was like similar to this, and they had a blue, which was like something like this blue or something like that. And I thought either this or the pink, and since my girlfriend got the pink one, since we were at the store a couple days ago and she wanted to pick one of these up, they had two of these in pink, and I was supposed to get the other one at that time, and then she picked up the other one. So I told her she could have it because there was only one. I told her just go for it, because I already have something coming in the mail and my money is already tied up with the pre-order, so I might get something else. So it's better that she just gets it. So it worked out. So she got the pink one and then I got the green one, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It has like the Murakami stamping here. Can you see? Murakami stamping there. It does have the multicolor on the inside, so it's kind of like, if you know, you know, like if you see this color or the hot pink color, you'll know that it's from this collection. So in store, my sales associate only had one of these, one of the blue ones, two of the pink ones. I think they had like the, oh yeah, it was a baby on the go. It's like the PM on the go with the panda on it in baby blue. So yeah, I ended up getting this and called it a day. So the things that were harder for them to sell was mainly like the belts and the shoes, because those are like size dependent, so it depends on like if it's your size or not, right? But I'm just happy I got something. I'll probably get this hot stamped as well. I want to see if they can hot stamp it like this way when I go in. So I'll probably get stamped this way, and then in the passport cover, maybe like up here, I'll probably get something up here, keep it all on one side. And then I'll see if they can like stamp something else here maybe. But yeah, so these are my two pieces from the Murakami line. Again, super excited about them, but still a little bit disappointed. Like a little bit of me is disappointed I didn't get the pochette, but I will not be buying, you know, pre-loved or on the resale market. I just think it's insane. I just don't think it's like worth the money. It's like not worth the hassle of paying more for something. And also I know that there's already fakes going around and stuff like that. Like it's just not worth going through the hassle, not knowing, you know. I just prefer to just get it from the store, which I did get two things, so I'm happy I got something that's like fully like one color, and then one that's in monogram. So I think I'd still got a little bit of a win here, right? I know one of my friends on Instagram, Christy, she was able to get like almost everything that she wanted from the collection. So I'm really happy for her. It's like so different like overseas. I was reading like a lot of stuff and seeing other people in Europe getting things a lot easier and faster, and there's more stock for them. But then in America, I guess, for some reason in America, they just didn't stock really well for us. So that's probably what happened. And a lot of the people that spent, you know, that have like a better tier system with Louis Vuitton got prioritized, which I understand too. Like they spent a lot of money, they should be prioritized, right? But just sucks that there wasn't enough for like others like us who wanted to collect something for the collection. But anyway, Still happy with the 2 pieces that I got. I will be switching into this pretty soon, but I just want to get a hot stamp before I do so, because then I'm gonna have to be taking my things out. But yeah, pretty happy with everything that I got. But anyway, that's it to my video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.